10 months.
You know, we should be wasting our time fixing this high place when we got work to do. What work? Our jobs, business. We're neglecting our cases.
We don't have any cases. We haven't had a call in over a week.
Really? Well, somebody ought to be downstairs in case any walk-in should walk in. Because, we get those sometimes.
Never on Sunday.